Hello and welcome to this episode of Vintage Magazine Browse Through. In this video, I'm going to show you my favorite patterns for this magazine. This is Annie's Crochet newsletter, and it is 1992 issue number 57. And here, I'm going to browse so I can show you. For each magazine, I will do one tutorial. I will pick one, my favorite, so I can do my next step by step. And here is the first pattern. You can see it's a beautiful dress for this girl. I love it. And here, more of the patterns included in this magazine. I thought maybe you want to go and buy your magazine. It's very frustrating when you go online, try to get some magazine, and all you can see is 1 or 2 pages of the designs. So I thought, what would be nice if you can see what patterns are in this issue and you can go and buy it, right? This is just small picture, but it has bigger pictures, so you can see clearly this Afghan and toy set for a baby. Well, not too much the pig. Other than that, I like everything except the pig for the ducky. It's a little, I don't know, off. Let me show you other designs. Look at this one. Oh, I love it. I'm probably gonna pick this one for my next step-by-step tutorial because I really love the dress. Maybe in a different color. Because blue, I know it's pretty, but blue for a girl, I think something more bright, lively. I don't think blue goes, but well, this is probably. What do you think? Should I make the step by step? I will pick one design for each magazine. This one is my pick. You disagree? Tell me. I might make a different one. This is a lavender baby Afghan look. Let's see what else is in this magazine. Multicolor Afghan. Look. Potpourri slippers. Thank you. Next. Hanger covers. Mug mat. Bed pad. Striped cape. I made this one a long time ago. Not in these colors, but I did make this one for an 8-year-old. Lace motif top. Cute. Looks good on her. The collar is a little too wide, I think. I think it doesn't fit her right. It is maybe for a larger size. Only on the collar, so that needs to be fixed. That's my opinion. But here it is. And let's see what else they have. Oh, look at this. Tapestry bag. I don't know how to do tapestry. The graph. Looks like filet crochet. Let's see what else they have. Some sweetheart curtains. So hard. Cute. Materials to be used. Thread 10. Misted. I don't know if you can see it. A close-up. For the balance. Curtain and balance for the kitchen. Look at this apron. Hard kitchen set. Designs by Lucille Laflamme. A close-up. Very pretty. Very pretty, and it is like also for a picnic look. Not bad. I love the colors. These are my favorite colors. I think I made a doily with this, with all of these colors, light pink, darker pink and yellow, and the green. A close up. I hope you can see it. Let me give you a picnic carrier, the apron with hearts. A lot of stuff for the kitchen. When it says a kitchen set, it really is a kitchen set. Lots of things. And this is the graph that they use probably for everything. 3 on the apron, 1 here, and 1 here. This will be a nice project to do. Easy and fast. Now, what else do they have? They have a lamp plant poke. Oh, yeah, I can see. The feet. Okay. This is a pot holder trio. Pot holder trio. The others they have. Oh, I think that's it. And here's all the projects included here. In case you... This is my pick for a tutorial. The dress. Before you know it, you can come back and see. I will have the tutorial for this dress. And that's it for this episode. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. Thank you for visiting my channel and see you in my next video.